Monday, August 12. Canada will be the first to report on important economic developments in the coming week. At 15:30, building permits will be released. This is a leading indicator of the state of Canada's construction industry. Building permit statistics are the source data for calculating construction expenditures, quarterly and annual estimates of net fixed capital formation in the country. The growth of the indicator may have a positive impact on the Canadian dollar. Also at this time, Germany will report the current account without seasonal variations. The indicator displays the difference in value between exported and imported goods, services, and interest payments in the reporting month. An increase in the value of the indicator may lead to an appreciation of the euro. Tuesday, August 13. On Tuesday at 9 o'clock, the UK will report on the number of claimant count change. The report reflects the change in the total number of people who applied for benefits in the reporting month. Since the employment reports are one of the most important factors determining the actions of the Monetary Policy Committee of the Bank of England, a deterioration in the labour market may negatively affect the pound. And at 12:05 Germany will inform about the Economic Sentiment Index. The survey from Z reflects the prevailing sentiment among financial analysts in Germany. The subject of the report are the most important indicators: inflation, interest rates, stock indices, exchange rates, and the price of oil. The growth of the index may favorably affect the euro. Wednesday, August 14. On this day, 2 o'clock traders will focus on the report on the unemployment rate in South Korea. It is a percentage ratio of unemployed citizens of South Korea to the total number of labor force. The unemployed include people of working age, unemployed at the moment, and in active search of a job. The growth of the indicator may have a negative impact on the South Korean won. At noon, Eurostat will release a report on gross domestic product. The formula for calculating GDP based on expenditures generally looks like the sum of the following components: personal consumption expenditures, gross capital formation, government expenditures, net exports of the country. An increase in GDP may have a favorable effect on the euro. Thursday, August 15. Japan and its GDP report will be the focus of analysts' attention on this day. It is expected at 250. The indicator reflects the value of all goods and services produced in the country during the reporting quarter compared to the previous quarter. The calculation includes private consumption, government spending, expenditures of all businesses, and net exports. Indicator values higher than expected are considered favorable for the Japanese yen. At 11 o'clock, the Bank of Norway will announce its interest rate decision. This is the main tool used by the Norwegian bank to stabilize inflation and influence the development of the Norwegian economy. In this case, it is the overnight deposit rate at Norges Bank. The decision to raise the rate is seen as a factor that can lead to a rise in the Norwegian krone. At 11 o'clock, the Bank of Norway will announce its interest rate decision. This is the main tool used by the Norwegian bank to stabilize inflation and influence the development of the Norwegian economy. In this case, it is the overnight deposit rate at Norges Bank. The decision to raise the rate is seen as a factor that can lead to a rise in the Norwegian krone. Last to report in the coming week will be VS. At 15:30, it will be known about building permits in the country. This is the absolute number of permits for construction of new residential buildings issued by government agencies in the reporting month. An increase in the number of issued building permits indicates improved sentiment in the economy, the growth of investment in construction. An increase in the indicator may also lead to a rise of the dollar.